Here's a quick video on replacing a busted housing. Just a couple things you need to do, and maybe some quick tips on how to make your own alignment tool. Just buy an output shaft, and this one you're going to buy a full output shaft because it's going to be cheaper than getting the alignment tool, and then cut it so that you have the alignment shaft in here, and essentially that's the output shaft for the overdrive housing for a 48RE. So that's one tip. Just buy the full shaft and then cut it. The other thing is you're going to need to figure out a way to press it. So the fastest and cheapest way to do something like this is get a plate, measure it, the width of the spacing here, drills 2 holes, use a bolt. I used I believe that's a 9/16 head. It fits perfectly in that groove there. And then just measure that. This is one from that was done before, obviously, and just press it because there's a spring in there, and then you have 2 snap rings. You got a flat snap ring. This is a new one that I put in, and then this one here. So that is the quick tip for replacing it. This is the old housing. There are a few things you need to take off your housing. You can see here where it was broken, but all that's pretty obvious. Don't forget to remove the retaining snap ring in here, and it's an out. You're gonna open it this way. So it's an open out because that ring fits in that groove there. But just don't forget to do that. And it's I believe a T25. So it's it's this that you're gonna take out. Don't forget to do that. And then of course when you're pressing, support it so that you're not but just by any chance, that you're pushing down. Again, you're not going to be putting any force on this, but support the output shaft. And it's a 2-piece, so you're going to have one in there, and then this goes in it. So anyway, it would make sense if you're actually working on it. But that's the trick. You got to figure out a way to make something like this, and you're going to need your alignment tool. And this was a 1-piece that I cut.